Picking time. Unfortunately, this is a CS. And it looks like it's going to be crushed soon. If there weren't so many extra taillights and stuff out there for this thing, I would grab them. I'm after heater duct under here, and this is a manual, so I am grabbing the cluster even though it is a turbo. I might grab the ACC too. I don't know, let's see. Let me pull this dash apart and I'll come back. Let's see if I can get the other ducts. Luckily, this one's before the airbag. Hopefully, this manual EDU works. I need one with a good screen. Got all the relays, all the ducts. And grab the courtesy lights too. Not a bad score. Got all the front duct work, ACC. That works with the 94. Relays. And a couple of courtesy lights. In the front restraining cable. I don't really need it, but you never know when someone will have an issue with there, so might as well get it while I'm here. It's an Arrow. The seats are shot. Back ones aren't too bad. I could probably bring those back. The front are just, they're crispy. They're beyond. And it got hit. The doors will close. Actually, that's because of this right here. That's because that's sitting on it. Nice. Most of that's been picked through. I don't need a radiator. Why isn't that door working now? Oh shit, no wonder. It would help if the stepper motors were plugged in. I'm new at this, apparently. Recalibrate again. I'm gonna get it to stay here so you can see it, but I don't know, whatever. Number 4. Body EDU diagnostic code 3. No trouble code stored. Let it dry. The flat didn't look good either, the vinyl and fabric dye, but it gave it a good flexible layer. Let it dry completely, and then I went back with some acrylic lacquer on top of that, which also is flexible, and it'll adhere to it really well, as opposed to something like enamel, which will be a little more brittle. But I'll let this dry completely, And I put a pretty heavy coat on it, mostly just to dress the top. I'll come back and look, like right there. I see a little bit of hazing right there. I got it thick enough right there. As it starts to dry, stuff will show up. Alright, where is there it is. Kind of hard to see. And black. Hopefully that'll be good, and we'll go ahead and put it back in the car. Right there. Floor duct, and then this, when you snap them together, is what holds this, and the screw goes in there. There's supposed to be a clip in there, and it's gone, so I'm going to steal this one since it's broken. Alright, I got it done. The floor connector is together. Now this piece needs to go under. Actually, this has to be separated to come through up to the shifter link, and then the rear floor ducts go on after. That goes on this side. That gets twisted all the way around. Got that all squared away, the heater duct is in, shifter's back on. There's one screw right here that holds this down so it doesn't move. I still have to put a screw up here. Keep that ductwork from falling. But it is time for the console. This thing has been sitting around, it is so dirty. Clean it. broke off right there. Where that screw goes in, right here. I'm gonna have to epoxy that on before I can put this back together. Now we need to mount this fuse box back up. Retighten the loom, rewrap it, mount this back up there, get it off the floor. I still have to do some welding down here, so I'm going to go ahead and fix that, get that mounted back under there. Possibly put the cover back on it, I don't know, we'll see.